friend or foe for weight loss? You've probably seen this green buddy in almost every salad, right? Avocado, the ultimate symbol of healthy eating. But surprise, one single avocado can have over 320 calories. That's more than a bowl of rice. So, is it really good for losing weight? Hold on, don't cancel it just yet. Because here's the secret, it's not a fat that makes you gain weight. It's a fat that helps you burn it. Yes, avocados are high in fat, about 70% of their calories come from it. But not just any fat, these are unsaturated fats, the good kind. The ones that lower bad cholesterol LDL and raise good cholesterol HDL. So it's not your enemy, it's your teammate. Inside this fruit hides a crazy mix of nutrients. Vitamin C, E, K, B2, B5, B6, folic acid, magnesium, and potassium. And here's the highlight, 13 grams of fiber, the same as 4 apples. That fiber slows down sugar absorption and keeps your insulin balanced. The result, less fat storage and more stable energy. In simple terms, it's like a natural filter that cleans your metabolism. So how can a food that's so high in calories actually help you lose weight? Here are 3 solid reasons. First, it prevents nutritional deficiencies. When you're eating less to lose weight, you often miss key vitamins and minerals. Avocado covers many of those gaps, especially magnesium and folate, essential for energy and hormonal balance. Second, its fat keeps you full and protects your heart. According to Penn State University, a daily serving of avocado improves cholesterol and artery elasticity. In other words, your heart gets fit too. Third, it keeps you satisfied for longer. The fiber stimulates the satiety hormone PYY, which reduces hunger and cravings. So yeah, it's basically a healthy trick that fools your hungry brain. But hey, moderation is key. If you eat 3 avocados a day, your body will notice. Half or 1 avocado a day is the sweet spot. And what about that toxic avocado rumor? It comes from a compound called persin, which can be toxic for some animals but harmless to humans. Only people who take antacid medication should be cautious, because lower stomach acid can slow down digestion. Other than that, avocado is more medicine than menace. Let's recap. Yes, it's high in calories, but they're smart calories. It balances your metabolism and keeps you full. In moderation, it helps you feel lighter, not heavier. So now you know, avocado isn't the villain, it's the elegant ally of your diet. Hit that like and subscribe button. They say it boosts your metabolism by 0.1%. See you next time, and stay healthy, stay green.